So welcome back, students. Let us see the IUPAC name of the following examples. We will see few examples and then I'll give you the homework. You try applying all the rules. First example, AgNH3 twice enclosed in a square bracket and it is outside a counter ion Cl. So I said within a square bracket we should come from right to left. First number we should say, and then name of the ligand, then central metal ion, and then oxidation number of central metal ion should mention in a Roman letters. Then we should come the counter ions. So for first we should say the cation and then we should go to the anion. So when you come across within a square bracket, we should start the number and name of the ligand and then the central metal ion and then oxidation state of central metal ion mentioned in a Roman letters. First, let us see this 2. So it is called di. Then ligand is a neutral ligand. Amine should be called as a double M amine. So diamine. I've said the number di. Then ligand name is amine. Next to come across the central metal atom. It is called silver. The oxidation state is +1. It should be mentioned in a Roman letter 1 enclosed in a closed bracket and counter ion I should say only chloride. Next example, COEn twice Cl2 enclosed in a square bracket and outside counter ion is there. So this is cation, this is anion. Should say first a cation, then we should say this is a En, ethylene diamine. It is a bidentate and this is a chloridounidentate. So it is a, first we should say alphabetical order. C should come first. First I said a number, that is 2 times. So dichlorido. Then next 2 times means it is called bis. Bidentate and polydentates. 2 times is called bis. 3 times is called tris. It is 2 times. So this bis. Then IUPAC name of ethylene diamine is ethane 1,2-diamine enclosed in bracket because these are the parental carbon. Next one is central metal ion, atom or ion. It is a cobalt. The oxidation state is 3 because 3 negative ions are present. So it is a 3 plus. Mentioned in a Roman letter 3. That is Roman letter 3 enclosed in a closed bracket chloride. Next example, it is a cation. First, next anion. So come from right to left. First number is 4, tetra. Then name of the ligand, neutral ligand, it is amine. So tetraamine. Next central metal ion, copper. And coordination number is 2 plus. So SO4 2 minus, so it is a 2 plus. So mention in Roman letter 2 enclosed in a closed bracket, then sulfate. Next example, CO3 and NH3 4 times. This is neutral ligand amine. This is carbonato. Carbonate is carbonato. Central metal ion is called a cobalt. So here 2 minus and here -1. So totally it is a 3 plus. So to be written as a Roman letter 3 oxidation number. First we should come from left to right. First number, it is called 4, tetra. This is called only 1. So according to the alphabetical order, amine should come first. So tetraamine, carbonato. Next central metal atom, cobalt. Oxidation status 3 plus. So Roman letter 3. Enclosed in closed bracket, outside chloride. Tetraamine, carbonato, cobalt, Roman letter 3, chloride. Next one is CrNH3 thrice, H2O thrice enclosed in square bracket outside a Cl3. So first we should say cation should come from the left, right to left. So first we should say, alphabetical order. This is the neutral ligand. This is also neutral ligand. It is called as amine. This is called as aqua. So it is AQ and this is AM. So AM only should come first. First we should say number 3 times triamine. Then again 3 times aqua. So triamine, triaqua. Next we should come to the central metal is called chromium. The valency is 3 plus. So we should mention in Roman letter 3. We should not counter ion. Number should not be counted. So only it is a chloride. So triamine, triaqua, triamine, triaqua, chromium, Roman letter 3, chlorides. Next example, K3FeCN5NO. So in this, potassium is a cation and this full square bracket is a anion. So first we should say cation. So potassium, this is counter ion because it's outside the square bracket. So we should neglect the number. So only potassium should say potassium. Then in a square bracket come from right to left. Then you see this is central metal should say last. So here it is ligand is called nitrosyl. This ligand is cyanido Kc. So what the C is come first and then only N should come. So what number first you should write? That is pentacyanidokc, nitrosyl. Then it is a anionic complex or cationic complex. We should see this is a anionic complex because cation outside first. This is second one is anion. Anionic complex means it is a the central metal ion to be ended by 8. So ferrate. So ferrate Roman letter 2 enclosed in a closed bracket. Next this Na2, Ni, EDTA. So EDTA IUPAC name in detail I thought you remember that sodium first it is a cation should write first sodium. Number of sodium is not counted. So only sodium to be written. And then we should come across the right to left. First ligand and then only central metal ion. So ligand EDTA, the IUPAC name is 2, 2 dash, 2 double dash, 2 triple dash hyphen ethane hyphen 1, 2 diaryl dinitrile. I mean enclosed in a close bracket and then tetraacetato. EDTA value over. Next come across central metal ion. It is an anionic complex. So it is a 8 to be ended. So nickelate. That valency is 2. That is a nickelate Roman letter 2 enclosed in close bracket. Next example PdI2. ONO 2 times. H2O 2 times. Or this is polydentate. This is polydentate. It is only 1 time. So I didn't say anything. They're not this, not this. Here all unidentates. So ordinary name. 2 times means di. Here 2 times means di. Here 2 times means di. According to the alphabetical order, all the ligands should say according to the order. So what first one is aquo. Then iodido. Next nitrito. So what diaqua. Then diiodido. Then dinitrito. This is KO donor. Then central metal ion, palladium, the oxidation status +4 to be written in a Roman letter 4 enclosed in a closed bracket. Next, chromium, PPH3, only 1 times. That is a neutral ligand. CO also neutral ligand, but it is 5 times. So come from right to left. According to the alphabetical order, this is triphenyl paspene P. This is carbonyl C. Should say first a C. Pentacarbonyl. This is triphenyl paspene. Then central metal ion, chromium. No oxidation state at all. Zero oxidation state because these are very neutral atom, no charge at all. So it carries a zero valency. That oxidation state is 0. We should enclosed in a closed bracket. Then CO, NO2 thrice, NH3 thrice. Here it is a neutral ligand. This is negative ligand. Unidentate both are. So it is an ordinary name. Tri we can say. But according to the alphabetical order, amine should say first. Triamine. Then trinitrito. But it is a donor is nitrogen Kn. Central metal ion Gopalch. This is +3 valency written in a Roman letter enclosed in a closed bracket. Next example CO, NH3 CN and close bracket. Then again one more close bracket CO, NH3 and CN5. So here in this amine is a neutral ligand. Cyanido is a negative ligand. Both are unidentate. So no problem of naming. 5 means penta. So it is amine starts A and the cyanido starts C. So first you say amine. So pentaamine cyanido Kc. Then central metal ion, cobalt, oxidation status +3, written in a Roman letters enclosed in a closed bracket. Then here only one amine, here 5 cyanido. So amine should say first amine, penta, cyanido, Kc. Then cobalt, Roman letter 3 in a closed bracket. Then PT, PY4, PTCl4. This is tetrapyridine. Pyridine is a neutral ligand. So tetrapyridine platinum Roman letter 2 enclosed in a closed bracket. This is tetrachlorido unidentate platinum 2 closed enclosed in a closed bracket. Then CO NH3 4 times, here Cl2. So here this is amine, this is chlorido. So 4 times tetraamine should come first, then dichlorido. Next cobalt, Roman letter 3. Here one more thing I want to say you, this is this two square brackets or comes means this is a cation and this is anion. This, if you say this cation, this is called a cobalt. When you come across the anion, this is called cobaltate because this is a anionic complex. So it is called cobaltate, Roman letter 3. Here in this case, this is, we should say only simply platinum. But here when you say here platinate, Roman letter 2. Here across this, here CO is a cationic complex. Simply you say cobalt, Roman letter 3. But here it is a chromate should come, 8 should come. So if it is an anionic complex, the central metal ion should be ended by 8. Here 8. Next example, AgNH3 twice. So here plus charge. So what we should ended by ion. So here 2, it is a neutral ligand unidentate. So say first number di. Then amine, name of the ligand. Then central metal ion silver. That valency is 1. So what plus 1 to be written Roman letter 1. It is in a chargeable complex. So what we should say ion, whether plus charge or minus charge. We should write in ion. Then last example, let us see this. CO, NH3 5 times, Cl the whole power 2 plus. So this is a neutral ligand, amine. This is a negative ligand, chlorido. So first number we should say penta. Then name of the ligand, amine. Then this is one time only chlorido. Next central metal ion, cobalt. Plus 3 oxidation state. So it should mention in a Roman letter 3. Enclosed in closed bracket. This is 2 plus. Don't write 2 plus ion, 3 plus ion and all. Simply you write ion. Then FeF6, it is a halogen, no need to put in a closed bracket. So that is from right to left. Only one unidentate ligand, fluorido, 6 times hexafluorido. And this is a anionic complex or cationic complex. We should see that it is an anionic complex. So it is a ended by 8. So ferrate. So hexafluorido ferrate. Roman letter 2 because 6 and 4 difference is 2, so Roman letter 2 ion. Then evaluate yourself with the few examples I have given to you. So don't see the answers, write only the questions and then you try to apply all the rules and find the answer. Thank you, students. Still these are the examples, you just apply it. Thank you very much.